I even ate a worm, I think, at Granny house.
Zach, Justin, what we on, man?
This shit real, y'all. Smash the whole session, nigga, no doubt. I smashed her, she claimed she was pregnant. Baby girl, quit lying, we stop texting. Don't argue with me about none of my exes. All of them hoes.
Man, what's up, man? How you doing? Good, man. Good. I'll go about it. Oh, let's go. This light look good, though. This light look good. Man, you have to take it back like me. Shit, man. Wanted me to lie, wanted me to... Copyrighted, y'all, cause there's a lot of music, but ain't we out? Hey, Bug Baby TV, man, I'm fucking with that shit. Bug Baby TV, man, I'm fucking with it. Hey, man, change the family, I'm fucking with it. Oh, man, I'm living with Bug. Oh, my God. I'm trying to tell you, man, change the family. Man, change the family, I don't hear this, man. I'm part of the family, man, like, real talk. Capital D is part of the family. He caught the hat, y'all. Capital Life, baby. Capital Life, man, change the family all day. Fuck with that shit. I'm fucking with it. Why ain't you fucking with it, huh? I'm trying to tell you, man, like, I'm a businessman. Like, I love that shit, bro. Ever since, I'm telling you, ever since I was 14 years old, I was owning a business. My grandma had me on the block, like, no cap. Like, I love that shit. If you watching me and you love getting money, tap in, I ain't no boozy person or none of that. Just tap in. That's all I'm telling you. I'm trying not to get copyrighted, but y'all tap in, man. I don't know if YouTube can still hear the music. I'm not near it, man. Y'all tap in, man. Like I was saying, my grandma had me a businessman since I was a jit, man. So like, I love connecting with people that's on the same type of time. Don't be nothing wrong, like, I can't even start it. Reason, like, I be trying to preach to y'all. I know y'all don't be wanting to hear that. That's what I'm just telling y'all. If you fuck with clothes, tap in. If you got a business, tap in. I love that shit, man. I love making money, man. If you want to be BCO, tap in. cop you some clothes. You cop something, I got you. Shit. Goddamn, but yeah, man, we out here. I don't know if y'all can hear this. I really hope YouTube can't hear this, bro. But y'all tap in. We're gonna keep running me up. Keep copping BCL. We outside. No cap. And I got a big bump on me. Anyway, we outside, man. No cap. Tap in. We making money all year, man. I'm out. Yeah. Yeah.